it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode we're going to do part 2 of my cheap keto Walmart meals, how I'm making my meals for $2.25, cheap keto style and keto on a budget, coming up next. Hey guys, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on this episode is part 2 of my 3-part series of cheap keto meals on a budget. I am actually cooking and showing you my easy keto meals, my lazy keto meals that I got from Walmart on my keto grocery shopping haul. I'm actually doing meal prep and showing you how to make $2.25 meals that are so easy and so cheap. So let me dive into the video, but first, if you love this video, smash that like button, make sure you click subscribe, and to get my free weekly keto meal plan, I'll tell you at the end how you can get a weekly emailed meal plan to you, keto style, coming up next. So on my lazy keto meal plan from what I got on Walmart, if you haven't checked out part 1 of what I purchased, go do that and come back. Normally I don't say leave, but leave and come back. But so for part 2 on my cheap keto meals, I'm going to be using the panino trays as one of my meals, the chorizo, which is sausage with eggs, Jimmy Dean sausage, tuna cans, the salami roll-ups, making them like tacos, the pepperoni sticks, and then I think that's it. So we're totally making this lazy keto and easy keto. Like, this is what I do with my family. I have time constraints, I have budget constraints, I got all the constraints, and this is how I do it, y'all. This is so super simple. Simple, simple, simple. We love lazy and we love simple. So let me go ahead and show you my tuna. Okay, going back to my cheap keto meal list. You guys can't read my handwriting, but I can. I have on here tuna, so I'm gonna put my tuna has a little home in my pantry again, so I know where things are for quick, grabby, easy. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. As I drop it on the floor, but so this has a home. This is one of my tuna fish is 2 meals each can, and having my mayonnaise to go with it. I'm not gonna pre-package the mayonnaise because I have this here at home with my can opener. It makes for an easy keto meal. Go ahead and look through what else I need to prep on here. So dogs are eating pork chop and applesauce. He's just banging away at his dish there. He loves an easy keto and lazy keto video. Sorry about the audio on that, folks, but so I've already washed these. This was from another haul I did. So now I'm simply just going to cut these up and put them in my little containers. My glass containers have already been rinsed, and now it's just cutting and portioning them up for my easy keto snack. So I've made a huge mess, but I'm going to get it cleaned up. I have portioned out my portions here. I had a little bit extra. I have found in my weight loss journey, I need different things. And in this season that I'm in for my weight loss journey, I like having more low-carb vegetables to literally chew. It makes me happy. It keeps my hunger pains at bay on days I'm not doing intermittent fasting. And some of y'all know I do like 40-hour fast, 50-hour fast, 24-hour fast. But having stuff like this when I'm eating my easy keto meals and eating lazy keto, for me, sets me up for success and helps me on my 100-pound weight loss journey. I have to have this. If I don't have this, I will binge eat or eat on other ways. So this is my self-care. Like, doing stuff like this is a loving act for myself. Like, it may not seem like it to some people, and I used to think that that was weird and woo-woo, but really and truly, like, this is a loving act for myself, getting this all prepped, chopped, and ready to eat. Literally setting myself up for success, having this already washed, chopped, and ready to be eaten. So here's my end final product. I've got everything all set, washed, chopped, ready to eat. This will make for a great lazy keto snack or an easy keto meal. I got it all prepped to go. And like, what better lunch can this be? Like, having this with some guac or having this with some pepperoni. Like, that takes 2 seconds to literally eat keto, which is what I love. Look at these guys. They're like, hello lady, stop cooking, let us come in. Okay, and let me go ahead and show you my panino trays. So here's our panino trays. This on here I have is 3 keto meals. It's probably gonna actually be more than that because this is a lot. Look how much that is for one meal. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8 roll-ups. That's probably way too much for one meal. So what I like to do is I will cut this in half. I will have 5 of them. My 3-year-old will have 3 of them, and then we'll have some spinach salad with them or some cauliflower. I didn't say anything would be eaten with it, but this is an awesome lazy keto snack. I'm not prepping this because it's already in the package, right? Like, this is one of those things, I just grab it. You could leave it at work and just literally work your way through while you're at work of having each section. Y'all have recommended for the prosciutto to fry these up, so we're gonna try that too. But these are great, and they're easy for kids. My little boy loves these in his lunch, packing those up. So You can do different options with these. I'm just not going to prep these. Like, this is the ultimate lazy keto. This is already prepped. It's already in the package, and we'll just eat them as we go. So if I eat this side, I just don't pull up the plastic, so this side and this side still stay fresh, if that makes sense. So I've got my paninos. That is done. So for my pepperoni slices, sometimes I portion these out and sometimes I don't. For this particular, I just grabbed them out. So I'm going to put this back into my little deli section in my refrigerator so it has a home, so it's well organized. And that way I'm not wasting anything. That's one of the best cheap keto. If you are loving this video, smash that like button and make sure you put in the comments below easy keto so I know to do more videos just like this one. Now back to the content. Now for the chorizo and the sausage, I'm just gonna go ahead and make that up. So I have that ready, I have that set, it's in the pan and it's ready to be eaten. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking my chorizo, 2 packages of them. I'm saving the other ones for another day for my part 3 of my lazy keto meals, but I wanna get these cooked so they're prepped and so I have them all set to grab in case my little boy wants a snack or I want a lazy keto snack. Like, this is a great thing to have already pre-prepped and already pre-made. Pork chop agrees too. My salami roll-ups, I'm not gonna do them right now, but literally I would just take the piece of salami, put cream cheese on it, and make a little taco. You could even put on top of it the everything bagel seasoning because that makes it taste even better. And I was gonna pair that with the cream cheese and you have pickles with that. So good for a lazy keto meal. My pepperoni slices, let me show you that. So let me go ahead and show you my lazy keto meal with the pepperoni, how I use that pepperoni for an awesome lazy keto lunch. So Duke and I are having lunch. We're having some cauliflower with guacamole, some pepperonis. This is our pepperoni lunch. Super, super simple meal with some Perrier here. What's that, Duke?
The pepperoni.
Oh, yum. So my little boy and I went out to the park and we had these as our lunch. So let me show you that. And literally, I just pulled it out. I put it on some paper towels. It was the easiest easy keto meal and lazy keto meal. We also have with us some of my organic cauliflower. This is the one that I got from my Walmart keto video in part 1, which go check that out if you haven't seen it. I'm gonna go ahead to prep these and do some meal prep for my easy keto meals. I'm just gonna wash these and then I'm literally gonna bag them and put them in some glass containers. So literally I can just grab them. That for me sets me up for success, and how I've lost 67 pounds through keto is putting a little bit more planning in for my easy keto meals and my lazy keto meals. Simply washing, drying, putting them in the containers, so when I'm hungry, I can just grab it. That was a great catch, by the way. So a little trick for my lazy keto success that I've had to do for myself is having homes for everything. Like, for example, I would lose stuff, and I know this sounds horrible, but I'm just gonna say it because this is the honest to goodness truth, is I would buy food and it would get lost and it would be wasted because I couldn't find it in my fridge. And I know that sounds horrible and awful. I understand how awful that sounds. However, my solution to that, if you're like me and you just live a chaotic, sometimes hectic lifestyle, is having everything have a home. So for example, my guacamole packets, these were chronically, they're expensive, right? They're like $1 per little package. And so what I found was they now just go here on the door, so I can look at them, I can grab them, it's up close to where I can see them. My butter, I don't ever lose butter because it's all in here. This should actually be, this is my cheese drawer. Like everything, my deli meat container, like everything has a home within my refrigerator so I don't lose it. So it's well organized, it's well kept. Sometimes I have sparkling waters down here, or my excess creamer goes down here. Our 3-year-old does not eat keto. He does have low carb, but he does, like, you're gonna see things like barbecue sauce. Like my family and my husband both don't. But so up here is stuff that I wanna eat quickly. Like for example, these blackberries were on discount at Aldi, they need to go soon. So just one of my hacks of knowing, and those carrots are not keto, those are for my little boy, of knowing where everything is. This needs to get organized and cleaned up, which I'm gonna do, but like all of my raw meats goes on this container. So I simply just bend down and I can look in there to see what meat do I have that needs to be eaten, that needs to be taken care of. And then down here is my lard that I got from a local grass-fed farm. So I need to cook with my lard, and then also my panino trays. But anyways, I wanted to share that. Just the guacamole thing sparked me to thinking everything in my kitchen to make this super easy keto and lazy keto has a home. So I can visually see it and I can visually go look to see where it is. Same thing with my cream cheese. Keto on a budget secrets is everything has a home, so you don't misplace it. So I have that. I have already done the cauliflower and I have the guacamole already lined out. My salami taco roll-ups, I'll show you guys what those look like too. So I was gonna make burgers out of these. Turns out I'm actually gonna make tacos. We have a family friend who is sick and they needed some dinner, so I'm happy to make them some food. So anyways, I'm gonna make these into tacos and taco meat using my keto taco seasoning, which I'll link down below. It's super simple to make and it does not have the maltodextrin or creepy carbs in it. So I'm gonna get this cooked up and get my taco salad started. So I am just cooking my taco meat here, getting my grass-fed beef all set. This is gonna be an awesome, easy keto dinner. We like easy, we like lazy. I'm just getting this all cooked together, and then I'm gonna put the taco seasoning on top of it, and we'll have a bunch of meals made out of this. So I just went ahead and put my taco seasoning on. I sprinkled that on in here. I'm just gonna mix that around. I do not add water, just because it doesn't need it. And you just mix this all around, and the tacos are almost done. This was my 2 containers of the grass-fed meat, and this is almost a complete meal. Totally lazy keto, totally easy keto, and I am the Sesame Street chef. As you'll notice as I spray meat across my kitchen, but that's okay. So let's do a roll call of what we've done. We've done the panino tray. We've done chorizo with eggs. We did not do the Jimmy Dean sausage. We're gonna do that another day. We did the tuna cans. We did the salami roll-ups. We did the pepperoni slices for a keto lunch. We did cauliflower, chopping that up with guac. And then instead of the burgers, we did tacos, keto tacos. Sounds like some amazing cheap keto meals to me. $2.25 for my Walmart keto haul. All of this food, seriously, like, that is incredible. That is absolutely incredible. Do you want to see part 3? Put in the comments below if you can't wait to see part 3 of what I do next with all of this lazy keto food and my 3rd round of lazy keto and easy keto meals. If you love this video, smash that like button. Make sure you click subscribe. Put in the comments lazy keto so I know to do more videos just like this one. And sign up for my weekly Wednesday weight loss emailed keto meal plan to you. It's in the description link below. Just sign up once and you get it every week on Wednesday, a free keto meal plan. Can't wait to see you guys again and check out part 1 and part 3 in this 3-part series of Walmart keto meal plans. Bye guys.